So let's learn what are the rules the for drawing the ray diagrams of convex lens. So what are the rules for ray diagrams? So it's just a very bad handwriting. I'm writing it again. Sorry for wasting it. Sorry for wasting your time. Rules for ray diagrams. So I'm specifying focus is about the convex lens. So here I'm using convex lens. So let me take a lens. So oops, this is good. So this is my convex lens. Then I have the axis, principal axis, I can say. So this is my principal axis. Then this is, let this points be my focus one. So this is my focus one and this is my focus two. So now let's see what are the rules for the drawing the ray diagrams. So there are only three rules, and these are much easier. So I will better copy this to save the time. So I've copied it and use it many times. So now the first rule is when the incident ray is parallel to the principal axis. So when the incident ray is parallel to the principal axis, so let's draw that. So this is my incident ray. This is when it is parallel to principal axis. So this is my parallel to principal axis. Then the refracted ray, the diffractor, sorry, not the reflector, is as we are using the lenses here, if the ray will refract. So the refracted ray will pass to the focus. The focus. So let me, the blue will be my incident ray, and the refracted ray will pass through the focus, as the first rule says. So when you are drawing the diagram, it should not happen that the incident ray is parallel and yet is going parallel and parallel. No, it should not happen like. So this is my ray. This is the direction of the ray. So these arrows that I have shown are also necessary when you draw diagrams for your exams. It indicates that my ray is going in this direction. So when it's parallel to the principal axis, so let me name it. Let me label this line as principal axis. This is my principal. Sorry, the principal spelling. The principal axis. This is my principal axis. The principal axis. Yes. So whatever. Yes. So when the ray is parallel to the principal axis, then the refracted ray passes to the focus. So this is my incident ray, and this is my refracted. Ray. Now this was our rule one. So this was our rule one. Now let's see what the rule 2 tells us. So again I'm going to copy and paste. Let me copy paste. I've already copied. So this is my another mirror. These are sorry, this is my another lens. This is a convex lens. And yes, so I forgot to mention about this point. So this is the optical center. So optical center, let me name it as O. So optical center. So this will also have the same optical center. It is O. So the second rule is exactly opposite to this rule. That is, when the incident ray passes through the first focus F1, then it it goes parallel to the principal axis. The refracted ray goes parallel to the principal axis. So it will be more specified with the diagram. So if this is my incident ray, so in the blue color that I'm marking is my incident ray, then so it's passing to the focus, you can see here. So the refracted ray will go parallel to the principal axis. My drawing is not much good. These might not be the perfect ray diagrams that should be actually. So you can see that, yes, hey, this is exactly opposite to this. Earlier we had the incident ray parallel, now we have the refracted ray parallel, and the refracted ray parallel here. So this is my incident. You might now understand that I'm using blue color for incident ray and red color for refracted ray. So this was our rule 1, that is, it was an opposite. So I will define it: when the incident ray passes through the principal focus, the refracted ray is parallel to the principal axis. This is the principal axis. So this was this was our rule 2. Rule 2. Now let's see what the rule 3 states us. So the rule 3 states us that when the incident ray passes through the object center, then it does not change its path. So it passes, so it does not get refracted. So again, diagramic representation. So I've got blue. So this is my incident. Copy it. Okay, no, I don't have an option of copy. And then I will use red, and this will be my refracted ray. So this is my refracted ray that has been passing. So you will see that there is no change in the direction because it's traveled through object center. Now if you, so this was another rule 2. The one that was going to tell. So this is my incident ray, this is my refracted ray. So it has not changed due to the as it is passing through the object center. So these were the 3 rules that are necessary to take into consideration for drawing ray diagrams. Now if you don't know these terms like object center, the focus, the focus, principal axis, lens, etc., then you might see my another video which states about the various parts of a lens. So I hope you enjoy that.